Hello everyone, welcome to the Schubert Couple Adventure in Australia. So for today's video, we're going for a bush walking. So John's gonna say something. I don't know where we're going.
Yeah, we're going to a place near Noosa called Harry's Hut. We haven't been there before, but I think you need a four-wheel drive to get there. So we're going to have a look. See you there.
Ayan, sa nakikita nyo na daan, paliit ng paliit po ang daan na pinupuntahan namin. Tapos tingnan nyo po ang paligid namin na maraming kakahuyan. Ayan mga kahoy po yung nasa paligid. Makakauwi pa kaya kami? Change gear muna tayo kasi slippery. Paliit ng paliit po ang daanan. Parang pang isang sasakyan lang ata to. Kung may makakasalubong ka, iwan ko lang kung saan siya. Only for one ka. Maybe because it's only few people coming. So, sana nandyan pa rin kayo hanggang sa dulo ng video na ito. Kung anong makikita natin sa dulo hanggang makaabot tayo sa ating destinasyon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood. Shout out sa followers natin dyan, ng mga supporters natin na walang sawang nandyan para sa atin at nagtitiwala. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Well, we've arrived at Harry Springs Hut. So let's come out and have a look.
Dumating na po kami. Dito na po kami sa car park. So tara, samahan niyo po kami. Bababa na po tayo at I'll show you around. So ayan, hindi lang po kami ang nandito, may nakasalubong din po kami kanina na 4-wheel drive din po. So when we got here, nagpark na po na isang car dyan. So tumabi lang po kami. So ayan, I'll show you around here. So this is the history of Harry's Hut.
Wow.
So tell me, who is Harry?
He was a forest worker in the 1950s.
1950s or 19... So he lives here. So yeah, before. So dito daw yun si Harry na ito yung bahay niya. So this is his house.
Wow.
Apparently it's closed. So may mga ayan po, may mga wire po, ayan, hindi po tayo pwedeng pumasok doon kasi sa tagal na panahon, hindi po safety ata na pupunta tayo sa loob. Kaya dito lang po sa labas. Ayan. Ayan, naglalakad na po si John. We can walk down to the river. So noong unang panahon, dito po si Harry. Look at, he has a nice view on the water. Uy, ang lamig! I feel cold. I feel cold. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Tignan niyo po, ang gaganda po. Ito po, oh. What do you name for this? Is it a creek? Is it a creek? River. Ang ganda po. Are we allowed to swim?
Yeah, it's fresh water.
It's fresh water.
Yeah.
Ayan. Balik natin sa harap, sa likod. Tignan nyo, di ba? We can take photo her, honey. Ang ganda po, di ba? Do you agree? Ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda po. Gusto ko sanang bumaba, kaso natatakot ako, baka malaglag tayo sa tubig, ano, at wala tayong dalang pang extra clothes. Napakalamig po dito. Hindi lang dahil sa winter, dahil na rin po maraming kahoy. So, ang ganda. Ang sarap po magmuni-muni dito, no? Nakakawala po ng stress pag ito lagi siguro nakikita mo araw-araw. Excuse me. Do you know the history of this? Na?
No.
Tara at mag-picture-picture po tayo, no? Tara guys, dito po tayo may kunting lakaran po dito. Ayan, nauuna na po si John. Ano kaya yan? Ay, may tao po dito. May nagka-camping po. What is this, honey? Picnic area. We don't bring foods today. Yung mga hindi talaga handa lagi, no? Lagi nakakalimutan. Wala kaming baon. Tapos nagugutom na kami. Buti sana kung may baon, no? Dito namin siya i-ano. Ayun, papakita ko sa inyo. Here. Yan po ito po yung picnic area natin. So, may sign po yung table nila within 10 meters of a picnic table or barbecue. So, pwede ka rin dito mag-barbecue, ano? Excuse me. We can go there. Let's see what's... Yeah. I think still a water.
Yeah.
So, commercial tour operators 11 a.m. to 2 p.m.
What?
Hi!
Yeah. All the time. They're wild animals. Yeah.
Have you seen any wild animals around? No?
Fully ragtail bird.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Oh, there's a boat. Hi? Ay, ito pala yung it was there, remember?
Yeah, we just there.
Uy, mas maganda pala dito picturean kaysa dun sa kabila, ano? Ang ganda. Ang ganda po. Ayan kami, oh. Kami. Just be careful behind.
Yeah.
Ayan po kami, oh.
That's it. That's the one.
May babasahin lang po tayo, ha? Welcome to Harris Camping and Day Use Area. How do you pronounce it?
Kalula.
Recreation. So, ayan po. Emergency call 000. Ang ganda po. Ay, nako. Ito, oh. Ang ganda din sana kung may boat ka, ano. Ayan. Sino kaya nagmamay-ari dyan? Ang ganda po ng paligid. Tapos maririnig mo yung mga ibon. Nagkukulitan. Nagsasayawan. So tara, basahin natin. Anong mga nilalaman ng sulat? Charot. Sulat? Welcome! A great place to explore. Uy, beach beyond. Alright. Uy, we haven't been there, honey. So visit, look at this. Visit the Sir Thomas Heli. Okay.
It's a big, massive walking track.
How many kilometers?
Too long. Got no food, so we can't do it.
Oh no. So what can you tell about this place? Hi, John?
It's good to go, but if you want to come out for a picnic or stay overnight, but yeah, we need to go because we're hungry and it's a fair way to go, but it's good.
It's good. What I mean is, to those who come here, it needs to stay for maybe overnight because there's no point of coming back, you know, because you want to experience and explore the nature if you love that. So you have to bring your food, you know, hindi ka guys sa amin na we just you know, we just come here to just look around and then go home. Because we didn't get any food and we don't have any plans for staying up until late or staying up overnight because we don't have a tent. So if you guys want to come here, you better be prepared. You know, bring some foods and your tent and then enjoy the beauty of the nature. So that's it. So, ang ganda po, it's really worth it. Yun lamang po, and thank you for watching.
Bye for now.
Vlog.
Bye.
Bye for now. And God bless everyone. See you in our next adventure.